Gloria Orwoba has been degazetted as a nominated senator. This has been announced by the Speaker of the Senate, Amason Kingi, who declared the nomination seat vacant. The move followed her expulsion from UDA party over disciplinary breaches and disloyalty. Orwoba has, however, received a relief after High Court Judge Lawrence Mugambi issued orders suspending her expulsion from the ruling party. And as Winfrey Owino reports, troubles for the embattled Orwoba started after she showed political support for former Interior CS Fred Matiang'i.
After nearly 3 years in office as a nominated senator, United Democratic Alliance Party has resolved to part ways with Gloria Orwoba following a series of troubles culminating in her expulsion.
It appears I am being accused for being a kissy. It appears the allegations that are being made is that, hey, stop yourself, stop being a kissy.
This was after she publicly announced her support for former Interior CS Fred Matiang'i, criticized the labor mobility program by the Ministry of Labor, and made remarks at an interview on Spice FM that did not sit well with the ruling party, UDA, that nominated her. She was summoned by UDA Disciplinary Committee Chair Charles Njenga, and even though she obtained court orders barring the proceedings, the party leadership expelled her. And early today, Senate Speaker Amason Kingi moved fast and degazetted her nomination. The Speaker announced the nomination seat as vacant, but the embattled Orwoba was back in the corridors of justice, seeking to block her expulsion and oust her as a nominated senator. High Court Judge Lawrence Mugambi issued orders suspending her expulsion and removal as nominated senator. In February this year, Orwoba was suspended for 79 days over claims of sexual harassment she made in the House. She apologized and was pardoned. Then her suspension was reduced to 30 days. Meanwhile, a section of leaders have come to the defense of Orwoba.
You also cannot isolate Gloria from her community. You cannot say that Gloria, because now she's a nominated senator under UDA, she no longer associates with the Kisii community. She no longer associates with the Kisii leaders, whether they are from her party or not her party. Stop harassing Gloria. She's just a daughter of the party. She should be adopted, she should be guided and mentored, but not harassing to that level.
Gloria Orwoba is a victim of circumstances who's being punished for expressing her democratic right. Gloria is basically Fred Matiang'i's person that they have worked with before when he was in Jubilee. When he was working for President Uhuru. So when Matiang'i came back and she's coming there escorting him, Matiang'i hasn't even said he belongs to a certain party. He has not said he's going to Jubilee or UPA or UDA or whatever, whichever.
Political pundits argue that Orwoba's fate lies with the party leadership because she was nominated. However, expelling an elected lawmaker, which involves the electorate, is hard.
And even so, you see sometimes people, someone could be aggrieved and feels like they want to petition the same. And you see the immediate petitioning is done at the internal party dispute.
Okay.
Because courts decided that political party matters be done within the political party tribe.
It is not clear whether the court order suspending the ouster will stand or will be deemed to have been overtaken by events. Will she survive the ouster? Previously, the government spokesperson Isaac Mwaura lost his nomination seat but managed to bounce back after court intervention. Winfrey Owino, KTN, Nairobi.
The whereabouts of Kenyan activists